All right, Doug Robb with FPE Automation at the MAC distributor meeting, and stop by FPE's booth, and Jomi here, he's going to take us through what they're showing off, because a lot of companies are interested in ways of saving money or how to optimize systems these days. So I came by here, and they've got something for showing off how to set up PWM, and I was like, man, I haven't seen anyone explain this so clearly. So
yeah, so I appreciate the time here. What we're showing at our Carnival station here is how do we approach PWM, which stands for pulse width modulation, in a very approachable way. So a lot of times with energy savings, we want variability of a frequency control or duty cycle. We can do a lot of fancy control with a digital signal, not going to an analog expensive card. So a lot of times we tell customers to control our valves or our solenoid with a PWM signal, and we walk away and we say, yep, controls engineers got that. Well, sometimes they don't, or maybe they need a little guidance. So we wanted to show here is demystifying PWM, and we're showing 3 different PLCs just as an example. That one's a Panasonic, we have Omron, and we have a Rockwell, who is obviously the dominant player in the United States. And okay, what does PWM mean? Do I have to write a whole fancy logic? Do I need special output cards? No. A lot of these PLCs actually do PWM natively. It's one instruction, and you give it 2 signals, or 2 data points. You give it frequency, and you give it duty cycle. Frequency is the number of times you hit it per second, so you can hear that valve clicking on and off, and I'm increasing this, and we can go extremely fast, extremely repeatable, and all that's doing in the PLC side, in this PLC, is 1 instruction block. I could do the same thing with Rockwell, Allen Bradley, Omron, whatever PLC you want, and then with this we can achieve a lot more precision control, energy savings. We're not hitting the valve with the full wattage every time. We can hit it with a reduction for liquid dosing, precise dosing. This does not have to be inventing the wheel every time. There's a lot of off-the-shelf hardware, off-the-shelf instructions that could use that, and now we can just enable our customers to say, hey, this is how we deploy that successfully, while all maintaining all the advantages of Mac. High speed, high response, high energy, energized response time, de-energized time, and we can give them the controls, know-how on how to do that.
Oh, I love it, Joey. And this also, expresses the point of how valuable the MDN is as a whole, right? Because obviously this was Jomi and his team developed this for FPE Automation, right? And instead of just keeping it to themselves, they're here explaining, hey, this is a great little education piece to put together for the customer to show once again in very, look at that. That's
an AOI for PWM.
That is it. That is all you need to add to your PLC logic to, like Jomi said, to add more efficiency and just a better optimized system. So, Jomi, thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you. Appreciate it.